So today we're going to be talking about how to do a basic facial for state board, okay? It's only 20 minutes, right? So a few items that you're going to actually need. And line your items up according to how you're going to actually use them. So one thing you're going to need is a facial cream, exfoliation product, your massage product, your moisturizing product, and toner. Implements that you're going to need. You're going to need your exfoliation brush. It cannot be electric. If you do decide to use an exfoliation brush or a ultrasonic brush, it needs to be with a battery. Battery use only. You'll need at least 4 spatulas, okay? These are actually able to be sanitized and disinfected. So when you finish these, you will put these in what bag?
Items to be disinfected.
Items to be disinfected. But what if they were wooden spatulas?
Discard trash.
Correct. Then you're going to need 4x4s. Cotton balls, cotton rounds, okay? You don't have to have all. I know in your NIC packet, it talks about 4x4s, 2x4s, and all those good stuff. If you have them, in your sponges, yes, that's fine. But it's not necessary, okay? Don't forget, Dollar Tree is your best friend, okay? To find those type of things. Then you're going to need a towel for draping. It's suggested to use a turban and a plastic drape. However, today I'm going to show you how to do it with 2 towels, okay? We're going to drape the head as well as the body. Last but not least, you're going to need a towel that's already wet. It says steam towel, but this does not mean that it's hot, because why? You're not going to be able to have a steamer with you. But this is a simulated product of movement. One thing I left out, you cannot forget sanitation and disinfection, okay? So let's be sure to have your pump or your sanitizer with a pump, okay? Now, read the instructions for me.
You have 2 minutes to set up the supplies for the basic facial section of this examination. Please do not begin any procedures until the verbal instructions have been, you are instructed to begin. Step back to indicate you have finished. The instructions will be repeated. You may begin.
At this point, do not touch the nozzle. Your universal supplies are already going to be set up, okay? Now, first thing you're going to do, to keep it simple, just fold your towel like so. But if you don't have a turban, this will be one of the ways to drape, because your drape has to be a double drape, okay? Cool. Then you're going to drape the body. Okay? Any questions so far? The first step, you have to cleanse. You have to cleanse the eye area and the lip area. So, of course, get your facial cleanser. Do not reach over the client's face, okay? When you're not using the product, close it back. Okay? Emulsify your product. Get it warmed up. Okay? Now, this is letting your client know that you're getting ready to get started, right? Just going to apply The product. When you're in the eye area, come up and out. When you're underneath, go under. Okay? Go outward in the lip area. It is okay to cleanse your hands at this point. You don't ever need a lot of product, okay? Anytime you go in your trash, disinfect your hands before you go back, okay? Now, if you use a spray bottle, spray into your cotton swab, okay? Please do not forget to brace, which means just stay in contact with your client. Cleanse the lip area, okay? Cleanse under the eye. Remember, under the eye, be careful not to wipe so hard, okay? Come to the left side, brace, up and out, go under, okay? Now, we're getting ready to cleanse the whole face, okay? And you know what, guys? You're going to actually need 5 spatulas, okay? Emulsify the product. Emulsifying just simply means activating your product, okay? All your movements are going to be up. When outside the face, you come up. In the forehead, up and outward. Eye area, outward. Under the eye, because right now we're just applying product, right? Down the nose. Top of the lip, outward. Okay, just cleansing the face. Continuously just cleansing the face. Do it about 3 times. Okay? Stop. You can cleanse your hands like so. Gonna remove the product. If you want to, you can use 2 hands, but make sure, because at this point, you have to tone the face and cleanse it. Remove, cleanse, okay? Notice I'm not dragging the skin, okay? Under the eye area, outward on the jaw area, down the nose. Make sure you cleanse from out. Okay? Be sure to always remove product. Don't ever just let product sit there. Okay? Now, the next step is exfoliation. Okay? You can actually use your, brush to actually go into your product. All you need is a little product. You don't never need a lot of product, okay? Remember, close your product back. Return. Circular motions up. Stop. Okay? Up and out. Up and out. Okay? Outward. Outward. Notice I'm not doing anything in the eye area. Notice how I'm keeping in contact with my client, right? Okay? Exfoliation is abrasive, okay? That's why in the eye area, you do not. Okay? We're done. Dispose, cleanse. I'll be finished before time. Okay? When you unfold your towel, unfold from over your client's face. It's up to you. You have to learn how to control your own towel. But the first thing you have to do, you have to test your temp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Lay the towel at the chin area. Wrap the face. Keeping the nose area open. Okay? It's not a long time, but I just want to see. I just want to show you what it looks like, okay? But you must do this. Let it sit there. Just don't put it on. Just take it off, okay? Okay? Remove the towel. Now, what I tend to do, the product that's on there, I hide it because we want to do what? We want to remove product. Brace with one hand. Bring it off. Okay? Upward on the forehead. And notice how I'm actually, what am I doing? I'm only dealing with one side of the face at a time. So I split the face in half. Okay. Come to the opposite side. Same thing. Remove product. And please remove product in its entirety. So make sure to pay attention to those areas like this, those places that have crests or hills, valleys. Okay. Upward on the eye, under the eyelid. Turn out. Okay. So I recline. At this point, it's okay to go ahead and return this back to your plastic bag. And where would this go? And your soiled linen. Remember, this is a linen, okay? But that's fine. That was good thinking, though.
Take that off the recording.
No, keep it there. Remember, toner restores the what? pH to the skin. Brace. We're just ensuring that product is off, okay? And again, we're rebalancing the pH of the skin, okay? Opposite side. Notice how I flipped the 4x4 over, okay? My next product is going to be my massage cream. And again, you see how you don't need a lot of product. Now, you're only going to perform 4 basic manipulations. They are effleurage, petrissage, friction, and tatotement. Or tatotement is known as percussion. Okay? Emulsify your product. Get it warm. Letting your client know you're getting ready to get started. Apply your massage cream first. Always stay upward and outward. The only place of the face that you can go downward is the nose. The bridge of the nose. Start the middle and down, okay? Okay, so now that we have successfully got our eye cream, our massage cream on, let's begin. Effleurage. Effleurage is a soft, continuous movement, light pressure. Okay?
Candidates, you have 10 minutes left.
Thank you. Do not say anything. I was not supposed to say that. Okay? Something falls. Stop. Pick it up. Disinfect your hands. Now, I'm out of spatula because I need that last spatula. It's okay to get you a cotton ball, a cotton round, or a 4x4, 2x4, right? And close. Now we have applied product, right? Effleurage, right? Outward and upward. Down the bridge of the nose, outward. Under the eye, make sure you don't press a lot, okay? Do them about 3 times. Okay? Starting back. Petrissage is pinching and lifting of the skin. Pinch, lift. Don't bring your thumb down. Pinch, lift. Okay? You can even do this. Okay? Notice I'm not doing this in the eye area at all. Okay? Friction. Friction is kin to effleurage, but you're going to use the ball of your fingers and you're going to press and you're going to move. You can even make circular motions. Stop. Come outward. Stop. To total. Make you work side now. This is not done on the eye area. You can do the jaw area, but do not do under the eye, okay? Now we got to bring that down. Friction. Petrissage. Effleurage. This is cooling the face off. One more time. And this time when I get to the bottom of the face, at the edge of the face, I'm going to taper off. You can move the product off your hand. Control your spray. At this point, we're basically done. You have to remove the product. Moisturizer. Don't put a lot. Even if you're one of those people that can't control your tension, you can pat the product off. Okay? This product is going to stay on. Now, this product has to be completely into the skin. Make sure that it absorbs. If you got too much product on your hand, it is safe to what? Remove some. Okay? But ensure, you see how that product keep being right there? If you can't get that product away from there, completely absorb. Okay. At this point, it is safe to remove all towel. Cause see, you're not gonna be able to hear the time, but I can still hear the time. So that means I still got some time. Of course, you know all that be going to soil in. Where this go? Trash. Where this go? To be disinfected. Universal supplies, you can take those down if you would like. Because at this point, this is the end of the test, and you are done. So thank you.